Welcome to the third Eye Ergo tutorial video. After a tiring day at work, Sam needs to relax and cycles to his favorite sports spot. On the field, Sam will perform 3 exercises with the Eye Ergo. Exercise 1. Sam puts himself in a stable position. With a controlled speed, he makes the marble move about 20 times back and forth for a minute, so that his eyes follow the marble with the necessary concentration. While rolling the marble in the Eye Ergo, he moves his body from side to side. This physical movement is combined with constant fixation on the marble. In exercise 2, Sam takes it to a higher level by moving around his axis while keeping the marble in sight. He does this in both directions. Sam shows an even more dynamic performance in exercise 3. While the movement is performed with the marble, he allows himself to walk on a line in a smooth movement. This combination requires both physical and visual flexibility. Good job, Sam. Tomorrow is another day to get your eyes in shape. Practice makes perfect.